text blasts get 6 times more engagement than emails, which is important when you need to send vital communications to a remote workforce or recruit new team members. You can start messaging one person or a staff of thousands, all with the instantaneous click of a button. With over 5 billion messages successfully sent, Easy Texting is the #1 choice of over 160,000 customers. Emails just can't compete with the power of SMS solutions. Why? Because texts have vastly higher open rates than emails, 98% versus 18%. And 70% of texts are read within the first 5 minutes, which is critical when you're managing a workforce across multiple locations, making communication extra challenging. From distributing schedules and managing route changes to communicating inclement weather warnings and filling last-minute job vacancies, texting allows you to quickly and effectively communicate to a team of on-the-go workers. And with one-on-one chat and the ability to quickly send transportation or billing updates, SMS is also the perfect solution for streamlining operational workflows. Experience the power of SMS with Easy Texting. Text trucking to 858585 to see how it works.